Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make a paper Tesla Cybertruck. First, let's gather our essential materials. You will need some sturdy cardstock or thick paper, ideally in a metallic gray color to mimic the real vehicle. Next, print out a reliable Cybertruck template, ensuring it's scaled to your preferred size. Don't forget your cutting tools: a sharp pair of scissors, a craft knife for precision cuts, and a ruler for straight lines. Finally, have a strong adhesive, such as a glue stick or double-sided tape, ready for assembly. Now that you have your materials, it's time for precision work. Begin by carefully cutting out each piece of your Cybertruck template using your scissors. For the more intricate details, like the windows or smaller angles, a craft knife will provide cleaner edges. Once all pieces are cut, use a ruler and a dull tool, like a dried-up pen or the back of your craft knife, to score along all the designated fold lines. This scoring step is crucial for achieving sharp, professional-looking folds. With all your pieces cut and scored, we can start bringing the Cybertruck to life. Carefully fold all the scored lines inward, creating crisp creases that will form the truck's angular shape. Begin by assembling the largest sections, typically the main body and cabin. Apply your chosen adhesive to the designated tabs, pressing them firmly together for several seconds to ensure a strong bond. Take your time during this step, ensuring each edge aligns perfectly to achieve the iconic geometric design. Finally, it's time to add the finishing touches that make your paper Cybertruck truly stand out. Attach the smaller components, such as the wheels, the bed cover, and any other accessory pieces from your template. If your template includes separate pieces for lights or windows, carefully glue those into place. Inspect your model for any weak seams and reinforce them with a bit more adhesive. Allow your completed paper Cybertruck to dry completely for at least 30 minutes to ensure all bonds are secure before proudly displaying your creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.